My head is still chopped off.
Oh, it gets shorter. There, that's better. Are you ready for this? We have my stuff, Mark's stuff, inherited stuff, resale stuff. Are you ready? We have this stuff and stuff. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and watch our videos as we progress through liquidating our own estate. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Vickie.
And I'm Mark.
And we are liquidating our own estate. Yes, we are, one box at a time. We've got at least one box for you today, maybe two. Not sure, because I really don't know what's in either box. I'm always a little bit afraid when we do this and we don't check things out first.
Surprise!
Not that I have anything to hide. I'm sure it'll be fine. This is episode number 8. Yes, it is. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what do you think they ought to do, hon?
Subscribe?
Yeah, why not? We're having fun. Hope you're having fun watching our videos, and we do hope you subscribe to our channel, Avante Attic. I know we don't want to ramble on too much today because we have a tendency to do that.
No.
I know you
we
think
never ramble.
I know you think he doesn't talk much, but he does. Yes, he does. And be sure to watch all the way to the end of this video because that's where we like to show you what's sold since the last video. And just a reminder, our pack and ship videos where we actually show you how to pack and ship it are separate videos. All right, let's get ourselves turned around this time and go find at least one box. We'll start with one. See what we can find to sell on eBay.
It's your box.
I know. I'm scared. Let's find that box.
Box number 1.
Maybe only number 1, but maybe we'll have 2. It just depends on how much is in here. Let's get this camera turned around. Let's see what's in this box, but first let's read the label. It says to sell, so at some point I decided I was letting go of this stuff. It says Easter, Valentine's is over, and vintage dolls. I have no idea what that means, but let's get this opened. It's always a surprise. I really never remember what I packed away over 3 years ago. I like actually that it's wrapped up. That makes it more of a surprise.
It's like Christmas in February.
It is February, but it's half over. Oh, look at that. Tom and Jerry. We might have to put this back till Christmas time. It's a little milk glass. Set it over here. This must be what I meant by a little doll. Here's a little graduation doll. She's got sleepy eyes. Do you see how her eyes go to sleep? She's pretty neat. I have no idea what she's worth. My guess is about $20. Oh, here's another little sleepy eye doll. Little Red Riding Hood almost. She's got the sleepy eyes. She's cute. Look at that cutie. Her hair is a little bit of a mess. That's how mine looks some days. She doesn't have sleepy eyes, but she would have been perfect to list at Valentine's. But I can tell you that Valentine's stuff is actually can still sell all year long, just like Christmas. This feels pretty big. It's kind of heavy. I have no idea. Oh wait, I think I see bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears. Maybe I'll just unwrap it from there. I don't know. Maybe I'll want to keep this and decorate with it.
No, the box said sell.
Yes, it did. You know, I've got quite a few cute Easter items, so I may need to part with some of them. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. Has a little bit of glitter here. It looks like it's in excellent condition.
Is there
Who
anything
made
on
this?
the bottom?
No, nothing at all. It had a label before. But that is absolutely beautiful, especially with this background, right? Yeah, let's put it here. Let's separate it. Show how pretty it is. It's going to be hard to part with this one. Another bunny. This one has some nicks on it. It's just resin. It's supposed to look like a real chocolate bunny, but it has a few issues. Carrots, anyone? Gotta eat your carrots.
Yeah, I think we have some in the fridge. Don't drop it.
No. But you know what? They're resin. Little bunny rabbit salt and pepper shakers. And I think they're Avon. It's not marked. But I have a feeling these are Avon. I'll have to research it. Looks like we have some miniature trees in here. I don't necessarily want to open this up. I'm just going to set it aside. What do you think the year is on this newspaper?
2017.
You would be right. June 8th, 2017. Feels like an Easter basket. And it is a basket of sorts with things in it. 3 things in it. It's a little ceramic or porcelain basket made by Wicks and Sticks, Japan. So it is vintage. That's cute. That's probably about a $20 piece. We have 3 little packages in here wrapped up. Little ceramic bunny. Occupied Japan. So that's got some age to it. I wonder if these are also little bunnies.
Yeah, occupied Japan would make it late 1940s.
This is a little plastic chick. It looks like it needs another part. Maybe it's
Or is
this?
it just made that way to stand?
Maybe. This is a little cup. I can see crazing in it. It's either ceramic or porcelain. What's it say? Old Foley, made in England. There you go. That might have some value. So these 3 little things came out of here, out of the basket. This is pretty big.
I think I see more bunny ears.
Maybe. It's got some weight to it. Oh, I know what this is. I'm going to talk about this one. You'll remember this, Mark, once you see it. Check this out. Isn't that cute? It's kind of a paper mache. We used to own a retail store in Ohio, and we had home decor and a lot of seasonal items. So we actually did interior design and home improvement, but we had a lot of giftware and furniture and things. And this is one of the seasonal items that we brought in for Easter. I probably have several of these in the basement somewhere that I need to liquidate or let go of, but it is cute. I imagine this is worth about $25. And
this might be another one.
It is, I can tell. Yep, another piece from the store. Like I said, it's kind of a paper mache over, who knows what it's over, resin maybe.
Bunnies galore.
What do you think? Is this another one?
I would guess another bunny.
I hope I kept at least one of each of these for myself. Another one, another bunny on an egg. There's no branding on it. Aw, look.
What
Look at
is
that. I guess it's like a little Cupid doll.
With bunny ears?
Yeah, with bunny ears. Hey, that could be worth $25, so you can make fun of it all you want, but that's adorable. Looks like I have a whole bag of smalls. Do that. Let's find out what's in here. Of course, it could be a bunch of smalls, too. I think I need the utility knife again.
I'm guessing bunny.
This is a big bunny. I forget.
Ooh.
I completely forgot about this one. That is really neat.
I
It's
remember.
holding a little chick stick. Has a chicken on a stick. That's weird. But that's really cute, though, too. I'm going to leave it in the box.
Yeah.
And by the way, folks, this is not a shipping box. When you see a box this thin, see how that bends? This is an inner shipping box, never to be used to actually ship the item. It would break in a heartbeat. This will be double boxed. That just feels like Easter straw. Yep, pink.
Nothing in it?
Just pink. I don't think there's anything in it. And I have
Easter
some
eggs.
plastic. These are light covers, little peep. This is my favorite Easter candy, Marshmallow Peeps. It looks good enough to eat. No, I better not. No, it's plastic. Glitter. Nah. Here's some plastic marbled looking eggs. They're pretty. I used to do a lot of decorating at Easter. Some more carrots. And these are just flocked, or like a felt finish. You can just take a look in here. I've just got more pink straw, which should be over there, and some flocked Easter eggs. So I don't know. I doubt they have a whole lot of value. I don't know if they're still making these or not. We'll find out. So that's box number 1, and since we went through it pretty quick, I think we'll go ahead and pull a second box out. But before we do that, let's pan this and show you again what we have. We have this beautiful tall Easter bunny. Some more Easter items here. Really cute. And I'll just finish Easter out here. We've got some eggs and some basket fillers, some straw, etc. But let's get back to these little girls. Look how cute they are. Again, I'm guessing about $20 or so each, and then we have a few other pieces here too. So we'll get those listed, but let's set this aside and open up another box. Let's go find another box.
Box number 2.
It says eBay. It says red utensils. It also says Christmas. We'll find out. Box number 2. Let's find out what's in it. Cracks Ice. Baker Lockwood Manufacturing, Kansas City, Missouri. Any idea what this is?
No clue.
Place ice cubes or pieces of ice in a bag, fold over top of bag, and strike with hatchet. There's There's a hatchet in here.
Hatchet?
It says, pour crushed ice in cocktail shaker. Oh, it is a hatchet.
There is a hatchet.
A wooden hatchet. It looks kind of nasty. It's a little bit yellowed over the years. Danger.
The ice is cracked.
So this is how they used to make their, some fuzz there. This is how they used to make their cracked ice, folks, for their drinks. Cracks ice. What do you think it's worth?
I would say it's vintage.
Anybody guess what it's worth? Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. Gosh, you never know what you're going to find in these boxes. Imagine, we're liquidating our own estate. Someone else would come across this someday. Mark and I don't have any children. He has a grown son, and he hasn't married. We don't have any grandchildren. So, and he doesn't want our stuff. Really, Mark, right?
Right.
He doesn't want it. So somebody else would be liquidating this stuff. We might as well get the money for it. That's what this is all about. Hershey's syrup recipes, a little tray. I don't think this is, well, I was going to say it's not very old. It does say 1982. I doubt that I paid $6 for it. That would not be like me. I'm finding some red-handled utensils. That's what it said on the box. Let's lay them here.
What is this thing?
I think it's to make noodles. I think it's to cut dough. Now this is going to be hard for me to let go of.
Yeah.
Check this out. Mark, you remember when you did the mashed potato? Well, we're going to do the, it doesn't want to turn around.
well.
My egg beater is a little rusty, like me. Christmas. Look at that. I really wrapped it like a present. If you ever need cheap wrapping paper after Christmas when it's marked down really low, I would go buy it like 50 cents at the Dollar Tree, and I would use it for packing material for shipping things. And obviously I use it for storing things too. I know what this is. And I always love this. But it doesn't really go with how I decorate now. Check this out. It's made with felt and glitter and has a little paper mache snowman basket. It's a snowman angel. It has paper wings. This is one of the items that we had bought for our store. It's probably made in China. It is. But I do think it's about a $25 piece. I can tell what this is. Anybody recognize this guy? Big boy.
Big boy.
He's in pretty good shape. I'm a little fading. What's it say on the bottom? Can we read that? Can you read that? A product of Big Boy Restaurants. Does it have a date or anything?
1973, I think it says.
Okay. He's vintage. I have no idea what he's worth. I'll have to do some research. So far, I'm glad I got into this box. Feels like a Tootsie Roll. Oh, this is just a plastic apothecary jar. This is just filler. I'm not sure what came in it. Probably candy. It has a date of 2015, so it's definitely not old. But it has that vintage look, so I think it has some potential to sell.
Like I said, Christmas in February.
Yep. Actually, we do sell Christmas items all year long. We're not real excited about listing Christmas right now, but once we list it, like we did last fall, we keep it up for sale. Feels like another one of the snowmen. And it is, but this one's slightly different. It says Happy Holidays. Has a little wear.
Same theme with
it's
the
an angel snowman.
Angel wings.
Again, made in China, but you know, everything is these days. Everything modern is made in China. Oh, check him out. Look at this. Beautiful snowman. He has glass beads on his face. A little shopping bag, wishing you joy. This is absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't be surprised if this is worth around, you know, $40. That is gorgeous. A box within a box.
Hey, what's in the box?
It's heavy. Let me get this moved around. What do you think? Christmas?
No clue.
Christmas? Anyone? What do you think? Oh my gosh, hon, I've been looking everywhere. It's worth about $50 to $60.
Cool.
I mean, I even looked last week at the Restore trying to find the same cookbook.
And you didn't remember that you had one of these in storage?
No memory whatsoever. That is a great find.
Cool.
And just think, again, folks, if you're not liquidating your own estate, if you're not going through your own things, you have money sitting there. I kind of relate what we're doing to finding a wallet or a purse in our garage that we forgot was there and it was full of money. That's how I look at this.
Okay, what else is in the treasure box?
Well, you know, I love my cookie cutters and my little Jello molds and
more cookie cutters.
Pastry molds. I'm not going to open that, but you kind of get an idea what's in there. I have some wrapped items. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. a little syrup jar. I wonder if that's Hazel Atlas. It's not marked, but that kind of looks familiar. That is a baby one. That's so cute. I don't know if I can get rid of that. How do you say that? Calumet? How do you say that? Baking powder.
Well, it
I was
depends
never
on
sure.
whether you're French or not.
You know
Calumet.
what? With all the controversy nowadays, this wouldn't even be allowed
Nope.
in American Indian. That's a
He's
shame.
gone.
But this could be worth a lot of money. Has a lot of rust, but could be worth a lot of money. You can still sell these items on eBay. Feels like a coffee cup.
It's a jar.
It's not just an ordinary jar. It's a refrigerator jar. Number 17. That's about all I can tell you. I think that's the Anchor Hawking logo on the bottom. Right here.
I think.
No idea what it's worth. My guess is about $15. Valentine's paper. Feels like...
Another.
Yeah, and
syrup
it's beautiful. It has a red, I say plastic handle, but I wonder if that is...
Bakelite?
Yeah, I wonder if it's actually
Bakelite.
Bakelite. It's pronounced so odd, Bakelite. I wonder if that's Bakelite. It might be. It has an A, but I can't tell what brand it is. Have to research that. I used to decorate with a lot of these things. This is a nut grinder of sorts. Yeah, nut grinder. Has seen a lot of use. Definitely vintage. Love the design on it. It's kind of Art Deco. I'm thinking this is from the 40s, maybe?
And it's a
Not
plate.
just an ordinary plate.
It's a cherry plate.
This is milk glass with it's gilded. It has gold trim. I forget the company. I used to know, but this comes in a set of different painted fruits. But cherries are always the most popular. It's probably about a $15 to $20 plate. Look here, a sugar jar filled with that's not candy. Those are not gumballs.
Marbles.
It's marbles. I'm sure that's just tissue paper holding it in. I'm not going to open that right now. Cookie cutter. Not just any cookie cutter.
It's Ohio.
It's Ohio. Is it? There. Ohio. There you go.
That's upside down.
Oh, I know, but that's
still upside down.
That's the way you cut it out. That's the way you press it. And by the time I know it's so upside down. I didn't even know I had that in. And some red plastic measuring spoons that I paid 25 cents for. Wow.
Something else with red.
What's it say? It's a kind of a thermos or water bottle. Can you read that at all? About reuse of this bottle.
Federal law prohibits
Reuse of this bottle.
Reuse of this bottle.
And then it has very unique. In fact, you know
It's
what
got
I
a
think?
shaker top on
I
it.
think I could be wrong on this, folks, but I think it might have been used for water. That when you're doing your ironing, you would sprinkle your water on your clothing so that you could steam iron it. I'm thinking that might be what it is.
I think you might be right.
If it is, I can say this. I wouldn't want to have a glass bottle anywhere near my iron because I'd probably knock it off the ironing board. But I think that's what it might be. I'll have to do some research. What sold on eBay? The 1949 Shaper Cootie game sold for $29.95 plus shipping. And these large ceramic chess pieces sold for $25 plus shipping. And Mark's 1953 Milton Bradley Pirate and Traveler board game sold for $30 plus shipping. Be sure to watch for the package ship on these items. We have some work ahead of us to get these on eBay. Mark does the photography and I do the listing. So yeah, we're going to work on this over the next several weeks. We invite you again to subscribe to our channel Avante Attic. I'm Vickie.
And I'm Mark.
And we are liquidating our own estate. Bye.